be working those arms out for the kayaking.
Oh yeah. Probably shouldn't be.
A bit.
So we've got a double one. You're doing all the work.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, Westfield.
Westfield. Shopping! 20 minutes later, still dodgy parking.
Only slightly wonky. It's a 5. Normally I'm very good, but I had to drive into it. I like to reverse.
Excuses.
Excuse me, are you trying to say I'm not a good parker?
Nope. Terrible.
I am the best parker.
No.
Yeah.
No. We didn't get anything.
Didn't get anything.
All we got is this. They didn't have the speaker we wanted. We bought a couple more things. We bought the new clothes. How exciting. Look at the pineapples. What are we doing soon?
Kayaking.
Kayaking. Where?
In the mangroves.
To see?
Dolphin!
Ooh. Fingers crossed we see some.
Oh yes, very good.
So you can see.
What did you say, Shit? What did you say, Shit?
I said, look how good I'm doing.
Did you chop any garlic in that? Oh yeah, boy.
Here she comes. Attack her. Oh, how many speed bumps do you need? Oh. Jacket on.
Ready.
Ready. Weapons. You ready?
Yeah.
You
Can't
ready?
wait.
You ready? We've already seen a dolphin. We made it.
We made
We're on the
it.
water. There we go. Let's keep an eye out for dolphins.
There.
Dolphins!
Aww.
They're just over there.
Oh wow.
Come on. Come here. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Right there. Oh, look how fast he is flying.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Hello.
Hello.
Here we are.
Here we are. Your favourite catchphrase.
We are kayaking, looking for dolphins. Dolphins? It's exciting. Here we go. Oh no, capsizing.
Being penalised because people can't paddle. We're just sat here. It's already been like, how long has it been? Like 20 minutes? We're just sat drifting.
There's a couple of pods just out in the Gulf here. South Australia's coastline is full of dolphins.
What do you see?
Like,
A sunken ship. Might be buried treasure. Get out. Go on, go swim. No? Go on, you can do it. Push. Whoosh. Whoosh.
as you can see, there's a lot of twists and turns and things to look out for. So, also mosquitoes. So we won't spend too long just sitting here.
And we're stuck.
Don't twist.
Steer us gently. That's it, honey. Doing a great job.
A little bit lower than this, and then it will be back up there later today. So big tidal movements, and these creeks are just naturally formed from that movement of tide. This forest has been here for about 10,000 years when we look in the fossil record, and all of these trees around you are the same species called the grey mangrove. They average a lifespan of about 700 years. There's about 150 species that rely on these creeks for their breeding. And that's just a fraction of this forest that's left, but some of these fish travel about 3,000 kilometers to come here. So if you remove these mangroves, these fish would start to disappear, the crabs would start to disappear, and then so would the dolphins. So they're really the most important part. I'm going to go right under this.
Awesome. It's extremely windy, isn't it? How's your arms?
Not good.
No.
Yeah.
Not true.
Yeah.
Man overboard. Uh-oh. Man overboard.
Can you get up? And this is why we went and bought a floaty
Yeah.
before we came here, because he just lost his GoPro in the water.
Did
It came off his head and it's gone forever. So all that beeping, interrupting people talk, it's gone. It's down there somewhere. That's why we bought this little grip. That was a bird. We don't really know what's going on right now. We're just sort of floating around. Don't know if they're back on their boat. Don't know if they're coming. We have decided to make our own tour. Well, us and them. Everyone else is, I don't know if you can see them, miles away, faffing around. Yeah, we're going onwards. We just saw his fin on the right. We are still on our own tour. We used Google Maps and we're going to the graveyard ourselves. Self-guided tour was pretty successful. We didn't get to the graveyard, but we found dolphins. Right, I am speed. Say it. I am speed. I am one with the waves. Yeah. Yeah, they seem fine. They just
dolphin and that.
didn't.
Oh, nice. Fell in and lost your GoPro. Do you know whereabouts it is? Like, so much for your time.
Thanks for your
That's alright, we tried.
Sorry.
I hope you find your camera and stuff.
Thank you so much. You have a lovely mind.
Awesome, good luck. Quite exhausting, really.
It was so good though.
We saw lots of dolphins actually, yeah.
Yeah.
I was hoping I could touch
Mama
one.
and baby.
Yeah. I wonder if that local's going to find their GoPro.
I reckon.
He's gone on a rescue mission. It's most likely he had a head strap. When they capsized and fell in, it went woo! Just like that did in that creek.
Oh yeah.
Yuck.
This is a city car park.
This is, yeah. Dickinson, yeah.
I just love shopping at Christmas. It's so nice. Just so pretty. Ooh, nice. Ooh, in here. I want to look in here.
And it begins. So let's just have a recap. We walked out the car park and the first store we saw, you walked in and it's been like 35 minutes and you bought nothing.
Are you liking your shopping trip so far?
No.
Half hour in?
Oh, no.
Awesome.
It is nice to be in a
awesome.
city.
It is. Look, little weird statue. Yeah, it's cool. It's definitely got a London vibe to it, doesn't it? It's awesome. And it's warmer in here.
Yeah.
It's warmer in the city. Shops everywhere. What is that smell? It smells like chocolate. It smells like hazelnut. Oh, alright, let's find them. Yummy. Oh, no.
And we're back.
It smells like shopping in here. It's lovely.
Like shopping. Smells like burning holes in wallets. This is definitely going to be the most interesting part of the video because now we're in makeup. See how many shops we can go into and how many things we won't be buying. The concentration. Ooh, the boredom.
We found him! Yay! Get out my way, tourists.
This is more like it. Chocolate. Oh, but there's so many choices. Oh my. We have finally made a worthwhile purchase. They're delicious
Haig's chocolate.
chocolates. Oh, they're so good.
Haig's
We're
chocolate.
going to need more.
Cinema mix.
Oh.
Oh,
Shoes. How is it for the third time we've ended up in a JB Hi-Fi in like 12 hours?
wish you were with me.
I love shopping.
How many more?
One never-ending escalators. We should have took a lift. And now on the count, free jump. Don't put this on record.
What'd you say?
I said, don't have a Levi shop to find these jeans. Didn't realise we were stood in Levi. I must be losing my mind. It's been a busy day. Literally 40 minutes later, $144.
That's nothing.
3 items.
Cool.
Insane. Time for something actually fun. I got a strike, that's why they're all stood there.
Oh yeah. One. A little better. A little better. Oh yes. That one again.
I did it. The one.
I am the winner.
So I won the first game. And then she
Just about.
destroyed me the second game.
Woo!
I don't know what happened the first game, but it was like, you got 1, 1, 1,
Oh, I got terrible.
3, 1, 1. I did also awful. I just can't believe it. I don't know what happened. I was just shooting right every time. I couldn't shoot straight. $29 parking for like an hour and a half. I hate this city. You misread it.
No, 45 hours. But still, that's outrageous. This is an expensive city. Like, holy.